What's up, guys? Your boy Butch from Imperial TV. I got a package. Welcome to Imperial TV. I ordered me a Christmas gift. We finally got here. Holy moly. Louis Vuitton. This is so cool. Damn, that's really heavy for a freaking bag. That's not bad. This is cool. Christmas is here. Thank you, Santa Claus. It's like thank you, Santa Claus. Thank you so much. My wallet. Work hard, play harder. This thing is really, really heavy, bro. Wow. Cool. It really weighs a lot. I'm shocked. You ready to see? I got more shit. Oh my goodness. I don't want to ruin Christmas for everybody. I think I spent like about 15 grand. Just in the stuff that's here, plus this. Woo. Louis Vuitton, thank you so much for this great, amazing gift. Can't wait until Christmas. I'm thinking about going to Paris, by the way. So, my birthday is December 31st. I think it would be a great idea just to go Paris and then come back. Still haven't made a decision yet, but that's the plan. Because it's always Tulum, 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 Tulum. I want to try something that's different. Really cool. Smells good. Wow. Feel so lucky. Wow. I guess this goes right here. Yeah. Awesome. This is fucking cool. This is cool. That is cool. Gifts. One for my girlfriend, one for my wife, one for my future wife, one for my side chick, one for the girl next door, one from the girl from Instagram. Everybody get gifts.
You're gonna need more.
Like Oprah, everybody get one. Huh?
You're gonna need more.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is freaking awesome. Work hard, play harder, right? That's my favorite one for me. This is really cool. I think this might hurt my butt, but it's better than my other wallet. Woohoo! So cool. I like it. Well, today we have a lot of stuff to do. So, number one, I have to protect the vibes of my cousin. I have to protect his spirit and his vibes. He broke his hand, cut his tendons. So I have to do a little like protect his vibe. Aram! I'm trying to protect his vibes.
Like a shaman.
Yeah.
You're a shaman.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Now we're bringing Tulum here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Where's Aram? Oh, let me protect your vibe. Let me protect your vibe, Chuck. How old are you? 70? Oh, we have to protect your vibe. So it will work better. Right here,
Do
I'll
it.
protect your vibes. Poor Aram has been having a lot of bad luck, bad juju lately, so we have to actually protect his vibe. Sit down right here. Just sit down.
I can't sit down.
Number one thing I'm gonna fix besides, what do you mean you can't sit down? Just sit down, like.
I have leg problems.
Okay, just sit down. Traba. Okay. Let me fix your collar, number one. That's the biggest problem that you have.
You see, it's one hand, it's hard.
All right. Let me sit with you. You know I love you. You know that.
Of course.
Hold my hands.
I can't.
Oh, that's what I thought. Poor guy. All right, I love you, man.
Love you too.
Okay. Now I want you to relax.
Making a new religion?
Yeah, it's called the Butch religion. I want you to relax. Relax. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Relax. I'm gonna do your prayer.
No,
You are something else. I'll tell you. No, sit down, sit down. Where are you going?
I get back to work.
I need to fucking protect your fucking spirit, bro. Shit. I need a mini butch here. I love you, man.
Just in a parts request from Lamborghini.
May your spirit be protected.
Shaman watch.
May you become lesbian.
Oh no! What the fuck?
I love you.
I love you too.
May your spirit be protected, my son.
Wait, why are you going down below, huh?
We need to protect everything. I'm trying to protect from his waist up. Anything from the waist down, he can just put a condom on it.
Oh, I got you.
It's fun.
Thank you.
Hi, what's up, guys? Our guest for today is MT, and she's on Imperial TV. We're like MTV. We'll put an Imperial in there. Pretty cool.
Yes.
She's actually a cool girl. Her dad used to race in Mexico. Used to race for the F1.
So no, it was Copa Corona, kind of like a Trans Am series in Mexico.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. She's a Ferrari girl.
Yes.
So she came to stop by for a nice tour of
Little
Imperial.
tour.
So we basically showed her what's in the shop, what we were working on, and showed her the race car that we were building for Ferrari. Also, pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff.
Yes,
So tell us more about you.
Well, I'm a big fan, like you said, of Ferrari, just because of the Formula One. Don't get me wrong, I do love Lambos or any fast car, so.
I think it's a Latin thing. No?
Well, maybe. I mean, I'm Charles Leclerc. He's not he's not Latin.
Well, I'm trying to convince her to actually start racing. I think she can get a lot of sponsors.
Yes,
She's a
maybe
pretty
you can
good
be one
driver.
of my sponsors, right?
Yeah, why not? Yes. Maybe you
Oh.
scratch him, we fix him.
Yes, no, but this is like an amazing place. Finally, I'm happy I'm here.
Well,
We got to
I'm
check
glad you
out
came to
beautiful
check us out.
work,
Thank you,
awesome
thank you.
cars.
Well, finally, yeah, I've been telling you to come by for a long, long time.
Yeah, I know.
So we're having a track day at MSR. It's Houston Exotic Festival.
Okay.
So we're actually hosting it, and we would love to have you.
Yes, I would love
That
to.
we
Maybe.
can put you on the track. and see how you're
Yes,
doing.
I would love to give a couple laps.
Yeah, it's gonna be from I believe from 10 till 5 o'clock this Sunday.
Okay, I'm there. Count
Alright,
in.
you're good. MSR. Do you race bikes also as well or no?
Yes, I have a. Can I wear
Well, I'm not
now?
gonna put it on right now
Yeah,
unless you want to
okay.
keep it on for the
No.
whole week.
No, okay.
But yeah, this is
Alright,
yours.
I'll save it here.
Yeah,
And
just
I'll
say
wear
you're
my
with Bunch.
uniform, see.
Oh yeah,
Perfect.
that was good. That was good. I can't wait though.